Hi there, and welcome to Patient Better. Patient Better is a healthcare communication training program designed for home care companies to provide new clients with a service to communicate point-of-care treatment. Let me explain. Research shows that the leading issue for families who had a loved one recently diagnosed with a complex condition is the inability to collaborate, communicate, and coordinate their loved one's care. Indeed, home care companies were able to solve part of this issue by bringing forth a cost-effective solution by helping clients perform activities of daily living. However, the stress, confusion, and turmoil still remained for families to govern care efficiently and effectively. Patient Better recognized the family's battle and developed a program that completes home care's offering. Home care companies that are educated in Patient Better can create a more in-depth roadmap to make the client's life journey, future transitions in care, and the family's ability to make informed decisions go more smoothly. If you want to learn how your home care company can further assist clients and families move through their lives more easily, please contact us anytime. Thank you for watching.